पीएस न्यूज में आपका इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त मोहम्मद जावेद। हम रखिए खबरों पे नजर, आप रखिए खबरनामे पे नजर।
All gathered here today to commemorate the rich legacy of the Parliament of India in this historic Central Hall. When we talk about Indian parliamentary heritage, the hallowed precinct of this Parliament House and the Central Hall, where we have gathered today, hold a very special significance. The Constitution of India is the bedrock of Indian democratic polity. It is in this very Central Hall that the Constituent Assembly held its sittings from 1946 to 1949, spanning a period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Today, we humbly recall the phenomenal contributions made by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, the first Prime Minister, and architect of modern India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of India, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, architect of Indian Constitution. It is also an occasion to recall with gratitude the contributions of Sri G.V. Malvankar, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and also acknowledge the collective contribution by members of the Constituent Assembly, Provisional Parliament, and first and all subsequent Lok Sabha. This Central Hall was witness to Pandit Nehru's Tryst with Destiny speech on the eve of India's independence. And yesterday, the Prime Minister also mentioned this in his speech. I am thankful to you because you remember this historic speech on this yesterday's occasion. Sir, the India's independence during his speech